My respected teachers and my fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Rohan from the Hills. Today I have sought the opportunity to discuss the topic that Kashmir will become Pakistan. Mr. President, the said Kashmir is like heaven flowers are blooming here. I see the right light every at the sky. Here is the base of the planet's mind, landscape changes. I see my Kashmir is alone and surrounded with a crude army of India. Here is oppressing and suppressing. Here educational institutions are turned into slaughterhouses. There were gold streets in my Kashmir, but now those are turned into flowing blood of Kashmir. Mr. President, before me there is a sight of funeral appeal that is represented by his mother, his sister, his daughter, and his wife who are screaming and asking that, oh Allah, who does have this funeral period? Tyranny itself crucially when its skills are disappearing. Already young folk from the black cloud of tyranny are youngers with the green flag of Pakistan use restless. There is no God but Allah. It is their confidence that Kashmir will become an integral part of Pakistan. Mr. President, the blood of Kashmir is full of fear of freedom, provides opportunity to wash the world stain of injustice to Americans. But no one speaks at the world state and they just not only share their eyes at generosity, but they also support Indians to destroy Kashmir. Oh yeah, we don't afraid of anything. We are warriors of pride nation. We receive influence and blessing from the martyrs. We are confident and believe our strong thus. It is only a knockout those who brought the guilt of prayer by giving us. Assalamu alaikum.